If you're seeing an MSN error while signing in, don't worry because in this video, I'll show you a quick and simple fix that usually solves the problem in just a few minutes. This is a great method if MSN is refusing to sign you in normally, if the page keeps loading with an error, or if your browser is holding on to old cookies and site data that are causing the issue. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tech fixes like this. Let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to msn.com. Once the site loads, try signing in normally just like you usually would. Enter your account details and see if the sign-in works. In many cases, the error happens because of a temporary browser issue, so this first step is important. If MSN signs in properly, then you're done. But if it gives you an error or if the page does not respond correctly, move on to the next step. Now press Ctrl, Shift and Delete on your keyboard at the same time. This opens the browser's Clear Browsing Data menu. Here, you want to remove cookies and site data because these stored files can sometimes break the MSN sign-in process. Make sure cookies and site data is selected. If you see other options, you can leave them alone unless you specifically want to clear more browsing information. The main thing is to clear the cookies and site data that may be causing the sign-in error. Once that's selected, confirm the deletion and let the browser clear the data. After that, close the browser completely. Don't just minimize it. Make sure you fully close it so the changes take effect, then reopen the browser fresh. Now go back to msn.com one more time and try signing in again. In most cases, clearing the cookies and restarting the browser fixes the sign-in error and lets you access your MSN account normally. If it still doesn't work, you may want to double check your internet connection, try a different browser, or wait a little while in case MSN is having a temporary service issue. But usually, this simple clear and retry method solves the problem fast, and that's how to fix an MSN error signing in using a quick browser reset. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you want more troubleshooting guides like this one.